Hey, what's up, Ecomi holders? So this video is going to be very special and very urgent for all Ecomi holders, especially for new investor who invest for a first time in Ecomi, who invest for my friend, and those especially. So therefore, a holder must watch this video to understand better now. As you can see, my friend, first of all, the update of last 7 days, the last 24 hours, the last 1 hour, all change occurring will be negative now. It's mean to the Ecomi is completely decreasing. The price is completely decreasing. What's the main reason? What's the opinion? And what's the price prediction? Absolutely we discuss in this video. So kindly you need to subscribe this my friend, subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. Every state channel will guide you, update you every time. So subscribe and like. This time remember that the price of Ecomi is 0.001 USD dollar and the price is completely decreasing now. So what's the reason? The reason is that my brothers to especially short-term investor, they are starting selling, so therefore the coin is falls down. So therefore I have share my opinion, my brothers, to please hold it. Yes, this is my opinion. I cannot give my friend just promotion. This is not a promotion video, understand please. And I just advise you, please try to understand better now. This time remember the price is decreasing hour by hour, minute by minute. So what's the reason? This time you can see, my friend, the prediction absolutely, my friend, going to be very important. So I predicate this coin, but kindly holder must watch this video, because my brother, especially if you cannot understand, so you lost. This time, as you can see, my brother, the coin is completely fails down from previous 7 days. This is the last 7 days chart, and absolutely remember to after fails, every cryptocurrencies will take a jump. Like this fail, if you can see, my brother, this is short fails, but again they take a jump. So therefore this is long fails, and I hope my brothers after this fails they will take a jump now. So I clearly tell you, my brothers, to hold it. I hope they will move upward. At the end of month they will give you a good profit. So kindly if you hold it, so I hope they will make you millionaire now. So thanks for watching, Ecomi holder. Hope you understand something new in this video. Please like this video and subscribe this channel for more this type of informative videos.